I'm here to learn what not to do.
About time.
Lesson 1. Don't lie. My dog ate my homework. Anna.
You don't even have a dog. Just be honest.
I can eat it all.
A few moments later.
You wasted half of it.
Nice shoes. Not.
That's not cool, Tom. Be kind.
You're right. I'm sorry. Check this meme.
Can you put your phone away? We're eating.
No one saw.
The planet saw it. Use the bin.
Good point.
So, don't lie, waste food, bully, ignore family, or litter.
Basically, don't be the old me. Learn
Learn
smart.
smart.
Do
Do
better.
better.
See you next time.
Don't do these
things.